week number 3 of January. So I'm curious, where are you on the 3rd week of January of 2023? Are you feeling like, okay, the holiday is behind us, it's a little bit still slow start? Honestly, that's how I feel. I feel we did not jump into 2023. We took some time to gear into it. Maybe you're still planning, you're still, hi Bernadette, you're still putting strategy in. Hi Anna. Maybe you are talking about your plans. I feel like we've been talking in my industry, planning and visualizing since December, and we just did our vision board. So maybe you're at the place in the conversation of tackling 2023. Are you ready or not yet? Are you still in the mode of planning 2023? Thinking what goals you want to achieve, maybe talking about your goals. Maybe you're talking to someone else, like I was thinking this morning. Maybe a business coach wouldn't hurt again. So I'm curious, where are you here? Maybe you're among the people, you're ready to jump and you're already into action. You've got your goals, you're doing your actions all ready to achieve those goals. Is it you? By the way, let me know in the chat. I'm honestly really curious. It seems like this year is different from last year. Last year is different from the year before. It's like we are so changing right now that I am very curious. Where is everyone right now? Okay. And in terms of how it may resonate as like, I feel a little anxious on the 3rd week of January. I don't know if anybody here with me. And I'm curious, like my anxiousness, what is it about? And then I thought, well, if I'm feeling this way, there might be somebody else who's feeling this way. I don't want to, this is my thing, I don't want to go through this challenge. I don't want to go through this struggle, whether it's financial thing, looking at the budgets, deciding who to talk to, what to cancel, how to cut it, how to add it, how to sell more and all that stuff. Or I don't want to exercise. Who likes sweating? Who likes extra time? You've got to figure out when and where and how, with whom, and especially if you're already in aches and pains and you just don't feel like it. So, and maybe you're one of these people, man, I'm so excited. 2023 is going to be the best year ever. I'm into action. Whatever you're saying is not for me. I'm ready to go. I'm already rocking my thing. Sure, by the way, who's listening? Let me know in the chat. Where are you? And on the, I think I just covered this in my notes. Oh, there's another thing. It's just so much work. Once I start tackling those actions, it's just so much work. You got to stay focused. You got to stay on the plan. And once you start, it's like stopping just feels like a failure. I'm curious, anybody? And by the way, what are your goals? When I say tackle in 2023, what are you thinking about? What is tackling for you? Like for me, it's finances. For people I work with, it's health. It might be fitness, it might be nutrition, or it might be the whole shebang of taking care of myself and prioritizing myself. So where are you? All right, and how do you know that you are ready? So this is the question of today. How do I know that I'm ready? If you ever read the book, The 5-Second Rule, she states it perfectly. You never feel ready. You never feel ready. And if there's someone sitting next to you and listening to you and your goals and what you want, and you ask them, am I ready? They're gonna tell you, you're ready. You know you're ready. You don't feel like it. The thing is that we collapse these two together. If I don't feel like it, I feel like I'm not ready. Not really. The feelings and actions are totally different things. Feelings is our creator brain trying to help us survive and protect us from challenge and feeling not comfortable. But that's exactly what we need to be doing and being to achieve our goals. Hi, Paul. Good to see you here. So again, how do you know that you're ready to tackle 2023? You know you're ready, and you do not ever feel like it. So feeling and knowing is very different distinctions. So again, by the way, if you're interested in that, is a 5-second rule book. Okay, so that's what I wanted to portray to you as a message today, and a couple of things that I wanted to mention from my notes. If you know you need a little boost, or maybe you just want to reflect and again look at your goals and really find that big vision and why, we might do another vision board party. So hopefully you can hear me. I hear the echo. So the vision board party might happen a week from this weekend. Please let me know in the chat if you like it. We're only going to do it if we have enough of interesting folks. But from the previous vision board, we did. So again, if you want to refresh, revisit, re-inspire yourself, vision board is really, really a good one. And I will throw a course for you as well. And second, if you know that you thrive in a group, you know you need people around you, whether it's fitness. I do teach fitness online, so it's for convenience, but also committed people. And also if you know that you need this lifestyle support on the mindset, on prioritizing yourself, we do have our weekly accountability calls. So go ahead and let us know. And in fact, we just started Fusion Flow, the level 1 workouts yesterday. So we're going to test a new time for a month. Perfect time to start. For those who just want to get back into exercise, maybe you haven't done it for a long time. Very gentle movement routine. Okay. But I do teach 3 levels as well. And if you know you're kind of private one-on-one person, you don't want any of the other stuff, just feel free to let me know and schedule a conversation with me, and we'll get you started. Okay, how do you know if you're ready to tackle 2023? First of all, what is it that you want to tackle? And if you're sitting with someone and sharing what it is that you want, what will they tell you? They tell you you're ready, but, and you never ever feel like it. So let's differentiate emotions with the actions and the things we know we need to do. And again, if you want to join our community, let me know if vision board is in your radar, or if you want classes because you're thriving in the group, or if you're kind of one-on-one private person. Okay, please use the chat to let me know what are you ready for 2023, what are you tackling, and I'll see you in the community. Thank you for listening.